know I'm coming back.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention.
Hello my sweet friends, and welcome to my cozy little corner on YouTube. My name is Agi and I'm a proud mama of 3 amazing boys, and this is where we keep it real with all things homemaking, cooking, cleaning, and a sprinkle of vlogs to share our everyday life.
I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me.
So if you do love the smell of fresh baked bread, the sparkle of a clean space, and the joy of simple moments, then you are in the right place. So if you're new here, karibu sana, you are so much welcome. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like this video if it warms your heart, and also leave me a sweet comment down below, because I do love hearing from you guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. I do not take you guys for granted. And if you are watching this video, or if you've ever been here before and you're not yet subscribed, kindly please just take a little bit of time and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, so that anytime you want to watch any of my videos, it's gonna be very easy for you to find my channel.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where.
So today we're going to be diving into a satisfying bedroom cleaning. Yeah, today we're going to be tackling my 3 bedrooms. We're going to be tackling the master bedroom. We're going to also be tackling the other bedrooms for the boys. Now, if your home is feeling a little bit of, a little bit upside down too, you are not alone. With 3 boys, things usually get a little wild around here. But I'm so glad that you guys are going to be joining me for a little cleaning motivation.
Good advice.
So first and foremost, I started off by just picking up all the clothes from the floor. The kids had already left for school, so I had to organize their room. So I started off by picking up the clothes from the floor. I'm not gonna be doing laundry today. I'll do probably laundry tomorrow. So next, I also made their beds. It's just a simple step, but when you make the bed, it really makes the whole room just feel put together.
It's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide that.
I also gave the window a quick wipe, just enough to freshen things up. I used the flushable wipes because I did not want to get my wiping towels or my cleaning towels dirty. Usually the windows are very dusty. And then I also wiped their bedside table, and I just wiped it down and just put back everything in its place, because I do love giving the boys a little space of their own that feels tidy and calm.
Smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
And finally, the last thing that I did for this room was just a quick mop to finish it off. It's all about layering those small wins to bring the whole space back to life.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, might's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
And just like that, the room was clean, cozy, and ready for more memories.
Friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while.
So the next room that I tackled was the master bedroom, and I started off by just drawing the curtains to give the room a little bit of light, not a little bit, just enough light, yeah. So I drew the curtains, and then I noticed that my windows were dusty, so I decided to wipe them, and also I used the flashable wipes to just dust them. And then I started with the basics, just picking up anything that was out of place and just clearing the surfaces.
Looking back at me, I don't know what happened.
So the next thing that I did was give the nightstands, the bedside tables, a quick wipe down. It's amazing how much dust can settle even when we don't notice it right away.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
Next, I made the bed. It's such a simple thing, but usually really transforms the whole room. I always feel more grounded when the bed is fresh and fluffed.
I've seen many places where the beauty never ends.
So guys, if you've watched this video up to this point, like I've always said before, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like and share. And when it comes to comments, you can always leave me a heart emoji, you can leave me a red heart emoji, yellow, blue, whatever color you like. I will really appreciate that, because this will make YouTube to recommend this video to as many people as possible.
I fell in love with who I thought you were, someone who'd never wanna see me hurt. But I was fooled by all your vows and words no longer. We built a house when we were 21. Now I know why it never felt like home.
And there we have it, a clean, cozy master bedroom. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just peaceful.
You call and keep on asking, is it too late for us? The answer I keep giving, isn't it obvious? Our love is turned to nothing. But before I go, you should know, should know. You owe me years and years of happy times. You owe me tears and tears, 'cause I'm all out. Yeah, you were the worst kind of pain, but you were the pain that I needed to change. So I owe you two, yeah, yeah. I try my best to.
So the next room was Travis's room, and just like the other rooms, what we did, just by picking up clothes or clutter, making the bed, wiping down furniture and surfaces, and also sweeping and mopping. So whatever I did for the other rooms were also the same things that I was going to do for Travis's room. And if you don't know, in case you're new here, Travis is my 15-year-old son. He usually cleans his room, but this morning we had, like, I think we woke up late, so everybody was just in a rush, so his bed wasn't made. So once in a while, I also like to just clean the room and see how it looks, because you know, teenagers, how they are, if you don't check, probably people are not cleaning their room. So once in a while, I like to just go in there and give it my touch.
All you want is my hunger, all you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain, come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. Oh, come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Some say love must hide to count. a picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making. And that's it, a fresh, clean bedroom that feels calm, peaceful, and ready for rest. So guys, this is how Travis's room turned out. So if you guys enjoyed cleaning with me today, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a sweet comment down below. I love connecting with you all. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye for today. Say you're gonna tell it